All right, let's talk about artificial intelligence because right now, everywhere you look, it's the same conversation. Artificial intelligence is going to replace everyone. Artificial intelligence is the future. Artificial intelligence is writing my emails, my reports, my grocery list, and possibly my wedding vows. And listen, artificial intelligence is powerful. But let's all take a breath for a second. Artificial intelligence is not your replacement. It's your coworker. And like any coworker, it's really good at some things and absolutely terrible at others. Let's start with what artificial intelligence is great at. Artificial intelligence thrives on repetitive tasks, pattern recognition, summarizing information, drafting content, translating, I have no idea where to start, into, here's a solid first draft. This is your first pass at an email, first draft of a policy meeting, summaries, brainstorming ideas, turning a 10-page document into something you might actually read in business terms. Artificial intelligence is your junior analyst who never sleeps. In personal terms, it's the assistant that helps you plan a trip, write a tough message, or figure out why your sourdough starter has trust issues. Now, here's where people get into trouble. They stop thinking. They take artificial intelligence output, copy, paste, send, and then act surprised when something goes wrong. Let me be very clear. Artificial intelligence is confident, not correct. It will give you an answer with the tone of someone who has never been wrong in their life, even when it absolutely is. Do your job understand what humans still own? First is judgment. Artificial intelligence doesn't understand your business context, your client relationships, or your risk tolerance, regulatory implications, or legal nuance. Remember, technically correct can still get you fired. Then there is validation. If it matters, check it, financial numbers, compliance language, technical configurations. Artificial intelligence should assist, not approve. After that is accountability. When something goes wrong, nobody says, well, artificial intelligence told me to do it. They look at you and say, why did you rely on artificial intelligence without checking it? Remember, you own the output. Relationships, as much as people believe in it, artificial intelligence doesn't build trust. It cannot read a room, handle difficult conversations, understand tone in a high stakes client call. That is still 100% human territory. So, where is the sweet spot? The real power of artificial intelligence is you plus artificial intelligence, not you alone. Not artificial intelligence instead of you, but artificial intelligence with you. Think of it like this: you bring experience. Artificial intelligence brings speed. You bring judgment. Artificial intelligence brings options. You bring accountability. Artificial intelligence brings efficiency. Here are some practical rules for using artificial intelligence. Let me simplify this into something usable. Use artificial intelligence to start faster, think broader, automate the boring stuff, get unstuck, do it yourself. When it impacts money, it impacts compliance, it impacts people, or it impacts your reputation. So basically, all the stuff that actually matters. My final thoughts: if you use artificial intelligence to avoid thinking, you will get average results faster. If you use artificial intelligence to enhance your thinking, you become significantly more effective, and that's the difference. At the end of the day, artificial intelligence isn't here to replace professionals. It's here to expose the difference between people who think and people who just copy and paste. So use it, leverage it, but don't outsource your brain, because the moment you do, you're not working with artificial intelligence anymore. You're working for it.